How do the members of the hiking group get beyond the wall of stone? A. By boosting one member at a time up to the next level. B. By crawling over the stalactites one at a time. C. By pressing on the stone wall with all their strength. Or D. By finding a route that goes around the wall of stone. To answer this question, we need information from paragraph 9, which I have posted here. This paragraph tells us that the daunting, smooth stone face rose before us. The paragraph goes on to describe how they got over this smooth stone. We boosted one person up over the top. This person got to the next level and then turned to assist the rest of us. Based on this information, we can head down to our choices and see that A, by boosting one member at a time up to the next level, almost perfectly mirrors what we found in the text and can be marked as our final answer.